Guys, we are at Mount Kopapoy still. So I decided to record this last part because it's already 1:59 p.m. and I didn't have any foods or lunchtime, or I only carry water with me, but no foods, no nutrition. And my cell phone is already 16%. And a while ago, when I'm in Mount what do you call that, Mount Pokis, I started to upload 6 videos, part 1 to 6, that I have taken a while ago of this training. But now all my network, I mean my data was consumed. I'm using a globe, so if it says it is consumed, it is consumed really. It's not a joke. It really was consumed, and there's no way I can the only way I can do to have a data again using globe is to load it again. So, and yeah, it's 16%, still 16% today. So I don't know if I would be able to upload this later on in the evening or early tomorrow, 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. or to 6 a.m. tomorrow, if I can't upload it later on the evening, because I need to connect to Wi-Fi. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you are safe. I hope you more blessings, and may God give us more opportunities, more blessings, safety, guidance, and may He guide us to the right path, to the right people, and may He guide the right people towards us also. And thank you. I hope you learned something new on my videos, not just on the video that I have shown you. I hope you are not bored, or you enjoyed watching my videos and learn from it, and also learn from the way I take videos, the way I talk, the way I explain, and the way I hope you observe and get to know me more. So please comment down below if you have any suggestions, comments. And I'm happy to have a feedback with you. And please also follow my follow me on my Facebook page, which is Crispin ang Sofan Fariangan. That there are 2 Facebook page there. You can message me. I can reply you using those 2 Facebook pages, and you can also message me on my messenger or on my profile, Facebook profile. And my Facebook profile name is Crispin ang Sofan Fariangan. So please also contact me there. And I think that's all. But my in this area of my right foot is still hurts. It really hurts. I think it was the skin was removed. That's why every time I step my right foot, it hurts. Let's see, guys. I hope you continue supporting me, and thank you for your time. I know you, by watching my videos, you have wasted your time, so I hope it's your free time, or you're watching my videos on your free time, or when you're not doing anything. I recommend that you have to prioritize your dreams, your works first before watching my videos, because I know it's a waste of time, but I hope you've learned something new about it and you have enjoyed it. Please check out my other videos. And guys, if you find that the other part of the videos are not on my videos, then go to my shorts, YouTube shorts, and find it there, because my YouTube has YouTube now is, if it is 3 minutes and below, if I upload a 3 minutes and below video, it is automatically uploaded as shorts. So if it's 4 minutes and above, it is uploaded as videos. But of course, if you search the title, then of course even the shorts, the next part or the other parts, as long as you search the its title, even the shorts will pop up. And please also see my posts on my Facebook pages, because that I'm consistently posting my pictures that I have taken on my everyday life of taking pictures, all the natures, my pictures, and yeah, I'm posting it there. See also. All those pictures and all the videos that I'm posting, especially videos that I'm posting, if it is recorded through camera, something like this, I'm using a cell phone, not a real camera, though I'm using my cell phone's camera. That's why some of my pictures or videos are not quality, especially taking pictures far away. It cannot portray show the real beauty of the photo that I'm taking picture with, or of the video that I'm recording. So it is raining again, so I think I need to jog, then walk, then jog and walk. I'll see how far I can go when jogging, because I lost my interest of jogging, or in eating. If we compare it in eating, we say it on eating, it's an appetite to eat. So that's also compared to today. I think I lost my appetite to run, something like that, or interest to run. But I'll try. Thank you guys, and God bless. This would be the last part. So it's already 12% my cell phone. So see you there in the next vlog. Thank you guys.